What up, y'all? Kingbaibai here, making another video. It's Halloween today. Alright, y'all, so I got the paint going right now. Got my costume all ready. Ready to head on out. We're gonna be going to, what's the place called? What's the place called, guys?
Underwood Family Farms.
Underwood Family Farms. They're currently getting ready, putting on their costumes, so we're gonna see. We'll see what how it's going. They're gonna be pirates.
Pirate wenches.
Pirate wenches.
Hi.
You guys see your costume? That's mine. Tita's costume is... He's a pumpkin. An uncarved pumpkin. So, we riding.
Can you plug it in?
Get ready for music now. Alright, y'all, so we over here in Moorpark right now. We at the pumpkin thing. All in the background. I'll go with a little shoot for you guys. A little pumpkin festival going on. It's not really popping yet. It should be at some point though. So see if we can find something entertaining to do, huh? A lonely scarecrow by himself out here. Poor fella.
These are all.
I wonder how much it hurt to just like belly flop on like 6 of these.
I want like a twirl.
We have more coming aboard.
Alright guys, we're getting on the tractor right now.
Come on aboard.
Huh?
I said next year should be a bear.
Born in
This one we
late
just chilling out here.
August.
Alright, y'all. So the maze has begun. We are in the corn maze. Look around. We lost Mom. Mom already lost. Ooh, the smell of corn smells pretty good though.
Prison wall. You can keep me standing so tall.
Oh, ye are gold. Always believe in your soul. We have found the pyramid. It took us about maybe 2 minutes. Maybe 3. Waiting at the porta potty, see everybody gotta go to the bathroom but me. Yeah. Look how thick these goats are over here. Juicy looking goats.
Oh, that one's sleeping.
Then there's a little black goat sleeping in the back.
He's tired. He's like,
Bing, 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 bing. Homie here thought he was gonna get some grub on right now.
oh, he thought you were gonna.
Yeah, because there's that.
That's true.
But if they had a little dollar machine where you could make it to get quarters.
Pose or something.
And we're at the pig races. We're going to see what happens. Oh, here they come. Alright guys, so we finished the pumpkin thing. It's been pretty fun, I'd say. I actually really enjoyed this. Did you, Mama?
I did. I totally enjoyed it.
You did?
I did.
I actually like this almost as much as the planetarium because the kid in me really enjoys Halloween stuff. If I had a kid, this would be the best place to go. So if you have a kid, I definitely would recommend coming out here and taking them next year, you know. It's a farm. I love farms. Farms always been a cool thing for me. I was in agriculture, so yeah. Mom is here. My sister is as well. She paid for lunch. That's the pizza. I don't know what else we're gonna do for tonight, guys. I'm pretty sure they're probably not gonna go do anything else, so I might head out, but I work tomorrow, I'm pretty sure. So what's up, Skippy? Skippy's got a haircut, guys. Looking all tiny right now. Ain't that right, little buddy? Ain't that right, little buddy? Oh, let's kick, please. Halloween's really changed since I was younger. Just don't celebrate it the same like I used to. I used to always be super excited, super pumped. I still love Halloween. I love costumes. I love dressing up, as you've seen earlier today. But I just don't have the drive to go out anymore. And I even buy trick-or-treat candy, and kids don't show up. Which means now I'm stuck with all this fucking candy that I'm gonna have to eat now. And that's the good part. I'm actually kind of happy to have that candy. But that's about it for today, guys. There's not much else for here. Thank you guys for swinging by today. Hope you had a good time. I surely did. If you like the vlogs, go ahead, smash that thumbs up. Reblog, reshare, share that thing everywhere. Comment below. Drop it if you have any questions. I hit 20 followers, so thank you so much. Thank you everybody that's done it. I've been wanting to do a video that's like a, not a competition. What's the damn word? Challenge. Challenge. Any ideas on challenges you want me to try? Go ahead and drop that below as well. If you need to get a hold of me in any way besides here, which would be the easiest, drop a comment like I said. You can go ahead and check out my Tumblr, my Instagram, Twitter, all with the same name, which is Kingbaibai. Like I said before, thank you for swinging by. You guys are great. Fantastic. See you all another day. Peace.